welcome back to The Wolf and the Melody. My name's Tommy. Tonight, we are finally diving into 1914. I have known about this band for a while. They are coming to Maryland Death Fest next year, which I am very excited to see, and I thought it's time. We got to check them out, and the Südtirol Offensive, I believe it's pronounced. I thought that was really interesting because I believe that was when the Hungarians, the Austro-Hungarians, attacked Italy, I believe. Yeah. My history is rough, but I thought that was cool, and I thought, hey, why not start here? I know they got the album, I believe it just came out, but I thought, hey, let's start. Y'all, thank you so much for being here. Thanks for hanging out. If you're new to the channel, I really don't consider myself a reactor. When we started this journey, I just wanted to discover music and listen to new music and dive into the artists that I knew and know, and I figured I'd like to bring back what it was like when you and your friends would go buy an album and you'd sit down, or you'd sit or watch MTV or, Headbangers Ball and check out music videos with your friends. That's what I want. Let's just sit down and see what this song's about. Let's see if we like it. I don't tell people to subscribe. I don't tell people to like the video. That's not my focus. I just wanted to build a safe place for people to sit down with me. Let's talk life. Let's talk about what's going on. Let's talk about the music. Let's talk about our dreams. Let's talk about how we can encourage one another. This is a safe place where we can share our hearts. And that's my desire. And plus, we get to show support to all these amazing artists that are creating such amazing music for us. So, if you are new, like I said, thanks for stopping by. Now let's go.
Agarra! Una pattuglia austriaca! Fuoco!
I think they attacked over like a really fucking long line. It's like 40 kilometers or something. Just
Rispondete al fuoco solamente quando riuscite a vederli. Allo scoppio ci ritiriamo.
yeah. Oh, this is gonna be a banger. Damn, dude. Killer, dude. It's so badass. Yo, this shit. Oh, shit. Oh! God damn. Fuck, dude. That was killer. Oh. Holy shit. I'm in awe, man. Like, holy hell, dude. First of all, let's talk about this video. This video was so badass. I loved just the art style, just everything about it. I love how it was in sync with the music. Well done. It really added this like another level of emotion and punch in Death. I've seen this band's like album covers, and Death is, you know, the Reaper. The way he shows up, that part, like the one part coming up here, look, da, 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 this part when he's walking through, and then he's standing there, everything's blown up, and he's, oh my god, metal as fuck, dude. Killer, dude. It gave me goosebumps. And then the whole just the mountain of the Reaper, just killer video, dude. The music, dude, was just I'm really excited. You could tell I'm really hyped. This really pumped me up. The music was killer, dude. The transitions, the flow, the aggression, the vocals were okay. This, for you to make a band that revolves around history, these moments of history. When I was listening to these vocals, man, it was more than just like a guy, growling. It like this was passion. This was violent passion, and the music carried that heart into the subject matter of what this was about. This was brilliant. This was excellent. 10 out of 10. Blew my mind. It's refreshing. It felt new. It just was, it captured the feels of and horror of war, and then just the flow of the song, the cadence of it. Amazing. This was fucking killer, dude. Like, wow, 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 awesome. Y'all, 1914. They got a new album. I believe it's coming out, or it might be already out. Go check them out. Go show them some love. You know where to find me. Facebook, Instagram. You can reach out. Listen, more important than this video is you. I know that we're all going through life, and I know that we could be dealing with a mountain of things. You are not alone. Please know that you are valuable. You are worth so much. And if you are dealing with something, if you are feeling overwhelmed, please keep your head up. And please know that you, like I said, you are worth so much. I know that the mind can really fuck with us. It can really get in the way and make us feel all types of things. That's why I always tell every video, if you want to connect, if you just want to need some encouragement, listen, I'm not a therapist, but I've been through a lot of shit, and I can listen, and I can offer help if I'm able to. I want people to know their worth. Okay? I love your face. Thanks for hanging out here. And yeah, we'll be back with another one.